Buckle up, everyone. It's an electrifying showdown. Eel versus Stingray. In the blue corner, we have the electric eel. This slippery shocker can zap you with up to 600 volts. That's more than 5 times the power of your home outlet. Yikes. And in the red corner, the Stingray. This smooth swimmer packs a punch with its venomous barb. Not only can it sting, but it can also emit a small electric charge, double trouble. So, who wins this electrifying face-off? The eel's high voltage or the Stingray's shocking sting? Well, in the wild, these two rarely meet. But if they did, the eel's massive electric shock gives it an edge. Zap! There you have it. The electric eel takes the crown in this shock battle. Want more epic showdowns? Hit that like button and subscribe for more. Epic shock battle, eel versus Stingray.